The Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, is a distributed technology based on the Ethereum blockchain that provides an elegant solution to long and confusing crypto addresses. An Ethereum domain name allows you to use one URL, just like a website name or email, that represents a crypto address. This video is a step-by-step guide of how to register a new ETH name with the official ENS Manager app. Step 1. Open your Ethereum-enabled browser. On desktop, this could be Chrome with the extension MetaMask, or the browser Brave with its crypto wallet enabled. On mobile, this could be Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Status, MetaMask Mobile, or another mobile Ethereum browser. This video will explain the process assuming you are using MetaMask in a desktop browser. Step 2. Navigate to the ENS Manager. In your browser, go to Manager. ENS. Domains. Step 3. Search for your desired ETH name. Type in the ETH name you'd like to migrate, including the ETH ending, and click the search button. If the name is already registered by someone else, you will see a page with information about the name's ENS records. If the name is available, you will see a page asking you for how long you'd like to register the name. Step 4. Select time interval. Select for how many years you'd like to pay the annual fee initially. You can always choose to extend your registration period at another time in the future. Note that you must have enough ETH in your Ethereum-enabled browser wallet to pay the full cost of registration. Step 5. Start the registration process. Click the Request to Register button and a box will pop up from MetaMask asking you to confirm the transaction. Step 7. Finish registration. Your transaction must be confirmed. This should take less than 1 minute. You will need to wait for another minute to ensure no one else is trying to register your name. Once your wait time is over, you will be prompted to click Register to move to the final step. This will cause another MetaMask box to pop up, asking you to confirm another transaction that will finalize your name and pay your registration fee. You're done. You are now the proud owner of a new ETH name.